Hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. I hope you're having a marvelous Monday and I hope you had a wonderful weekend with your mom on Mother's Day. Yes, I have a unicorn on my head today. Don't you love it? Alright, so today we're going to continue with measurement. We're going to work with the customary units of length. So that's the inch, the foot, and the yard. We're not going to worry about a mile today, just the inch, the foot, and the yard. And we're going to talk about how we can convert them, meaning how can I change feet into inches or yards into feet, yards into inches. And you're going to use that by using this little conversion chart, which is on your Google Doc for today. It's also on the reference sheet that I keep updating for you guys. I'm going to fix my hair. There we go. Okay, so, and what you have to remember is this key thing. When you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you always need to multiply. All right, I need to get a marker. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm coming. Here I am. Okay, so let's say I have 3 feet. So 3 feet. And I want to know, how many inches is that? Well, easy. We're going to be multiplying because we're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Remember, a foot is like a license plate. An inch is like a paper clip. From smaller to larger to smaller, you multiply. So think about that. You're going to be spending your whole day multiplying today. So multiply. Get those out, those multiplication charts if you need them. So then you can think about it. Well, 3 feet, how many inches? Well, look at our chart. 1 foot equals 12 inches, so I want to know 3 feet, so I must have to do 12 times 3. Now, you may know 12 times 3 by, you just may have it memorized because it's part of your facts that you should know. You can look at your chart, or you could do 12 times 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 36. So my answer is 36 inches. So 3 feet equals 36 inches. So think about it today. You're always multiplying and you're using your conversion chart. Let's try another one. Oh, I need a new eraser. There we go. Napkin. All right, suppose I have 6 yards and I want to know how many feet that is. So 6 yards equals how many feet? Again, yards are bigger than feet. Think about it. Baseball bat, license plate. So you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. So we have to multiply. And then, all right, well, here, look at our chart. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Well, I want to know how many feet are in 6 yards. So I must have to multiply what? 6 times 3. So 6 times 3 equals 18. So that means 6 yards equals 18 feet. Okay, so let's try another one. All right, let's do yards to inches. So let's say I have 8 yards. I want to know how many inches. Well, again, look at your chart. If 1 yard equals 36 inches, I want to know how many inches are in 8 yards. So we have to do what? 36 times 8. All right, well, this one's off the chart. So you're going to have to set it up vertically. Remember, vertically means up and down. So do you 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So you get 288. So that means there are 8 yards equals 288 inches. Okay, so that's what we're working on today. I also want to show you a comparing problem which we're going to do in class today. So suppose we have 2 feet and 36 inches. Well, I want to know, is it greater than, less than, or equal to? But we can't compare feet and inches. We can only compare them if they're the same. So what are you going to do? You're going to change the larger unit to the smaller unit. So again, look at your chart. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So let's change it. 2 times 12. And again, you should know this. 12 times 2, that is 24. So we know that that's 24 inches. Now we can compare. So I'm just going to write the 24 inches right on top, just like that. So now we can compare 24 inches and 36 inches. Well, we see that 36 inches is bigger. So we would say that 2 feet is less than 36 inches. So remember, when you're comparing two different things, you need to change the larger one to the smaller one. Okay, let's try one more like that. Let's compare 2 yards, and let's compare 4 feet. So we need to figure it out, but we can't really compare unless we have the same thing. So let's change the larger to the smaller. So we're going to do yards to feet. So again, 3 feet in 1 yard, and we have 2 yards. So we're going to go 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6 feet. We're going to write that right on top, and then we can easily compare. So now we have 6 feet and 4 feet. So now we know that 2 yards is greater than 4 feet. 2 yards is greater than 4 feet. All right, maybe we'll do some word problems today when we meet, or maybe we'll save them for tomorrow. I hope you guys are having a marvelous Monday. Please try to get your work done before we meet so we can review. I'll see you guys at 11:30.